So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down until you find display resolution. You're going to go to the recommended option. If that does not work, then you're going to test out every single resolution that's on this. So just test them out one by one and see if that works for you. If you're having problems when trying to find all the displays, you're going to scroll up and then click on detect. And then see if it detects it for you. And now for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. And then you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the last method, you want to go one step further. So I'm going to be leaving 3 links down below for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. Now you want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me, I have an Nvidia graphics card and I downloaded GeForce Experience. So now, once you're on the software, you're going to click on the driver tab and then click on check for updates. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date through the software itself. And then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.